How to add phone number on Walmart. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Adding a phone number to your Walmart account helps you receive order updates, verify your account, and improve the security of your shopping experience. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in walmart.com in it, and make sure that you're also logged into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage of Walmart logged in, go ahead and click on the account button at the top right corner. In the expanded pop-up menu, select Account. Now, inside this Accounts tab, click on Settings on the left and select Contact Info and Password. Here, you'll be able to see your contact information and password option. Scroll down and click the Add button right next to phone number. Now, select your country code and enter your phone number you want to add. After doing so, you can go ahead and verify your phone number via text or call. If you select Text Me, you'll receive a verification code via text message on this number. This is a random phone number I just typed in here, but when you enter your phone number, make sure that each and every digits are correct. Always use your own phone number, don't use anyone else's. Once you are done and you click on Text Me, you'll receive a verification code sent to you via SMS. On the next page, you'll need to enter the code. If you want to receive a call instead, click on Call Me instead, and you'll be able to verify your phone number after receiving a phone call. So that's how you add a phone number on walmart.com. Keeping your phone number up to date helps you receive important notifications and makes managing your account easier. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.